What's up, Boo? Aww. You love Mommy? Yeah. Oh, gosh. You're so silly. Oh. Are you gonna feed the camera? Yeah? You nice boy. Oh, goodness. My goodness. What a silly boy. Aww. Hi, Boo. Hi, cutie. Aww, yeah. Is that for me? Gee, thanks. Gee, thanks. Hi. What you doing? Look for the scary camera. You don't know what that is? Yeah, it's okay. What you doing, Boo? What you doing? Aww. Give kisses. Oh, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. That's disgusting, Boo. Yuck. You're so gross. You're so disgusting. Aww. Uh-oh, someone's jealous. We got a jealous birdie. Who's a jealous boy? Are you jealous? Are you being jealous? Come on. Aw, look at you. Aren't you handsome? Oh, no. Not you, too. Oh, my goodness. Well, at least I don't have to cook dinner. Yeah. You guys are just disgusting. Oh my gosh. You guys are lucky you're so cute. If you weren't so cute, I'd be into you. Come here. Step up. Good boy. What you doing? Were you bored? Yeah, were you bored? Oh. You making something to eat, huh? Mmm. Gee, thanks. My goodness. Ah, you're pretty. Yeah, are you pretty? And give each other a kiss. Go on, give a kiss. No, you be nice. Go on now, kiss, kiss. Can you make kisses? Kisses? No, he's grumpy. Not gonna do it. Oh. Oh, no, you keep that in your mouth. No, I don't. Oh, ah. You're so gross. You're so gross. Oh. Well, at least we've got Oscar. Oscar's not nasty. Oscar's a good boy. You good boy, Oscar? Well, that's not working very well.